lecturer in the computer IT department at LG Polytechnic. In the last tutorial, we have seen database management system. In this tutorial, we will see data administrator and database administrator. Also, we will see functions and responsibilities of database administrator. Let's start with the data administrator. A data administrator is a person in the organization who controls the data of the database. We can abbreviate it data administrator as a DA. DA determines what data to be stored in the database on the requirement of the organization. DA is involved more in the requirements gathering, analysis and design phase. DA is a manager or some senior level person in the organization who understands the organizational requirements with respect to the data. Data administrator does not need to be a technical person, but any kind of knowledge about database technology can be more beneficial. In short, data administrator is a business focused person, but he or she should understand more about the database technology. Now, let's see database administrator. The database administrator is a person in the organization who controls the design and the use of the database. We abbreviated database administrator as a DBA. DBA provides necessary technical support for implementing a database. DBA is involved more in design, development, testing and operational phase. Database administrator person having knowledge of database technology. DBA does not need to be a business person, but any kind of knowledge about functionality of an organization can be more beneficial. In short, DBA is a technically focused person, but he or she should understand more about the business to administrate the database effectively. Now, let's see the functions and responsibilities of database administrator. First one is the schema definition. The DBA defines the logical schema of the database. A schema refers to the overall logical structure of the database. According to the schema, database will be developed to store required data for an organization. Next one is storage structure and access method definition. The DBA decides how the data is to be represented in the stored database. Based on this, storage structure of the database and access method of the data is defined. Next one is assisting application program. The DBA provides assistance to application programmers to develop application program. Next one is physical organization modification. The DBA modifies the physical organization of the database to reflect the changing need of the organization or to improve the performance. Next one is approving data access. The database administrator determines which users need to access which part of the database. According to this, various types of the authorization are granted to the different users. This is required to prevent unauthorized access of a database. Next one is monitoring performance. The DBA monitors the performance of the system. The DBA ensures the better performance is maintained by making changes in physical or logical schema if required. Next one is backup and recovery. Database is a valuable asset for any organization. It should not be lost or damaged. The DBA ensures this by periodically backing up the database on magnetic tape or remote servers. In case of failures such as flood or virus attack, database is recovered from this backup. Now, let's discuss some important questions regarding this tutorial. First one is who is data administrator? Next one is who is database administrator? Next one is differentiate data administrator and database administrator. And the last one is what are the functions and responsibilities of database administrator? You can write your answers into the comment section. We have seen data administrator and database administrator in this tutorial. If you have any doubt or query regarding this tutorial, then you can write it into the comment section. If you want to watch another tutorials of this series, the link is available into the description box. If you like the video, then press on the like button and share the video. Stay tuned with us for watching new videos of this series. Thank you for watching this video.